Good afternoon to everyone. Today in this video, we'll see the full unboxing and details of this Pigeon branded 1800 watt induction cooktop or induction stove. So in the previous video, I did the unboxing of this mini mixture grinder which is of 350 watts. If you want this video link, just find it in the description. Along with that, this one also, the strainer, you can say the stainless steel strainer for this video also, just check in the description. So for now, we'll see the full unboxing video of this Pigeon branded 1800 watt induction cooktop with push buttons. This is not the touch panel, okay. See, this is the package what the user has received from the Flipkart. The user has ordered this on the Flipkart for around 1500 rupees. Now the prices have been slightly changed, and remember, this is not the touch panel. Touch panel will be slightly different in the price range, okay. It will be somewhat like 3 to 400 extra. And see here on the box, it is mentioned like 1800 watt soft push button, 33% energy saving compared to LPG cooking, okay. 1 year warranty. This is what is mentioned on the package. So let me just open this. Anything else? Yeah, in the back side it is mentioned like this can be used to make roti or dosa or deep fry. Pressure cooker you can use, boil milk, curry, and to make idli, okay. So let me just open this. uh, this is only the main unit, nothing else in the box, and there is one user manual. Actually, for most of the products we'll just keep this user manual aside, but as this is the induction stove, if you are using this for the first time, I suggest you should compulsory read this user manual. See here, these are safety instructions. Quickly, I'll read it for you. Do not use the unit near in the flame or wet places. So you shouldn't use this near your gas stove or something like that. You should be cautious when using this. Do not keep knives or any other materials on this ceramic plate area, especially this heating area. This is where electromagnetic induction will appear. This plate will make the vessel or the bowl which you keep here to heat it up in order to cook. So there are like 19 safety precautions. Do not place any paper between the pot and this, like means no paper when you place the pot like this. And do not touch the plug with wet hands. Do not touch this area after the usage, and keep this away from the children. These are what here mentioned here, and these are how to use instructions, and these are the error codes. In future, while during the usage of this induction cooktop, you may encounter this E0, E1, E2, E3, E4, E5, 6. So if you read them, it would be easy for you to use this, okay. Anyway, we'll see a full length video if we encounter that, and at the end of the video I'll be switching this on. I'll give the power source. Maybe I can show you how it is working. For now, we'll see what are the buttons here, and this is the ceramic plate, okay. And here are the air vents given, okay. And these are soft push buttons. Maybe where is the power button here? Power on off. Yeah, see here, this is the power button, right? Soft push, okay. Very gently you need to press. All these are and this is the digital timer function. Maybe I'll be switching on. Before switching on, let me just show you the buttons available here. And this is the timer, right? Current by voltage, cooker, down and short, curry, milk, tawa, deep fry, and idli, and the temperature up and temperature down here, up here, function, and on and off. And these are the presets, okay. Presets in the sense, actually you'll increase and decrease the temperature, right, according to the food you are cooking here. you'll increase and decrease, but this is the manual procedure. But if you keep this in this presets, no need to worry about this temperature. The system will take care of the heat. Okay, and it is mentioned in the how to usage instructions that keep vessels which are compatible with the induction stove. Compatible with the induction stove means, just for the example, I'll show one. Yeah, see here, this is Bergner stainless steel tri-ply kadai. Okay, kadai, no, no, not kadai, frying pan you can say. And here you can see, maybe it is visible or not, this is compatible with gas, induction stove, and it is mentioned here. But many nowadays, when we purchase any stainless steel or any bowls or vessels or pans, at the bottom you will see induction supported bottom. So you need to use the base or the bottom bowls or vessels which supports this induction base. See here, now you need to just keep here like this. Maybe I can show you by, yeah, see here. Okay, like this, perfectly fine. So this is stainless steel material. Okay, if you keep an aluminum pan, that would be incompatible. So let us go to the live operation now. Yeah, see here, just for the testing purpose or the initial usage, just I have taken few water and I'm placing this exactly on the indication they have given. See here, this is the heating area, right? And now, yeah, now I'll be plugging in the socket in the power. Okay, yeah, see here, now I'll be switching on. So immediately when I switch on that, so here the power indication is there, so it is asking me to switch on the power, right? So I'm powering. Yeah, see here, and now you just need to press this on button here. So as soon as I just turn this on, there is a fan speed, something like that. Did you observe the operation? Heavy fan speed or something like that. And I can change the function operation here. Now the red light is has gone to deep fry. Tawa, milk I'll keep. As soon as I keep in here milk, see the water is already started getting boiled up here. So in the next video what I'll do is I'll be keeping in the milk here, and I'll be showing you. See here, this is how you can use as the basic induction stove operation. So if you do have any other question, you can just ask in the comments. Maybe I can do a dedicated video on how to use induction stove. If you like this unboxing video, please do hit a like, and thanks for watching. Have a nice day.